Welcome to our GPU Showdown. Today, we're comparing two powerful graphics cards, the Sapphire RX 9070 Gaming OC and the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5060 Ti WINDFORCE. Both cards boast impressive specifications and features, but they cater to different types of gamers. Let's dive into their performance, pricing, and unique technologies to see which one comes out on top. When it comes to pricing, the Sapphire RX 9070 is positioned at $699, making it a premium option for gamers seeking top-tier performance. In contrast, the GIGABYTE RTX 5060 Ti offers a more budget-friendly price of $429, providing excellent value for those looking to maximize their gaming experience without breaking the bank. This significant price difference raises the question: is the extra cost of the RX 9070 justified by its performance? Both graphics cards come equipped with 16 GB of VRAM, but they utilize different memory technologies. The Sapphire RX 9070 features GDDR6 memory, which, while still powerful, is an older standard compared to the GDDR7 memory found in the GIGABYTE RTX 5060 Ti. This newer memory technology allows for faster data transfer rates, potentially enhancing overall performance, especially in memory-intensive applications. Let's see how this impacts gaming performance in real-world scenarios. The Sapphire RX 9070 is designed for raw rasterization performance, making it an excellent choice for traditional gaming at high resolutions. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE RTX 5060 Ti shines in its ability to handle ray tracing and DLSS, offering enhanced visual fidelity and frame rates in supported titles. This difference in focus means that your choice may depend on whether you prioritize classic performance or the latest graphical features. In conclusion, both the Sapphire RX 9070 and the GIGABYTE RTX 5060 Ti have their strengths and weaknesses. The RX 9070 excels in raw performance, making it suitable for high-end gaming, while the RTX 5060 Ti offers great value with advanced features like ray tracing and DLSS. Ultimately, your choice should reflect your gaming needs and budget. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.